Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to Getting Ready for Sixth Grade, Lesson 19, Histograms. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. Today's objective is to make a histogram to organize data. Please pause to write the objective in your notebook. All right, fifth graders, today we are going to be making a graph called a histogram. A histogram, as it says, is a bar chart. Histogram is a bar graph that shows how often data occurs in intervals. So we're going to group our data and show how often the group shows up. So it says here, step 1, we're going to make a frequency table with intervals of 10. So we're going to use this data in this graph here, and we're going to look at it and group it into groups of 10 and tally how often it happens. So the first group is 10 to 19. So it says we have 3 of them. Let's see if we can find them. I find 18, 17, and 19. That's 3. So it occurs 3 times. The next one we have is 20 to 29. It says there's 10. Let's look for them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job. We have 10 of those. The next one we have is between 30 and 39. It says there should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great, 5 of those. The next thing we should have is 40 to 49 and 5 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, 5 of those. And lastly, 50 to 59, and we have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now that we have organized our data, we are going to, oh, look, we missed one. There should be 6 here. All right, now that we have all of our data organized, we're going to make a bar graph of these intervals. Notice on our side that our interval, our scale, goes from 0 to 12, but we're counting by 2s. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So when we graph our first one, which is a 3, we need to go a little bit above 2, but before 4. So we're going to make a bar graph about here, and you can color it in, that goes up to the 3. Next, we're going to do 10. So 10 is a mark on our graph, so we're going to go up to the 10 and make a bar graph and color it in. Our next one has 5. 5 is more than 4, but less than 6, so it should be about here. And color it in. Our next one is 6. That's a perfect mark right here at 6, and color it in. And lastly, we have 4. So straight up to the 4, make a bar, and color it in. Great job, fifth graders. You've just created a histogram. The last part of our histogram lesson is a question. It says, what if we change the histogram to show 4 age groups with 12-year intervals? Well, let's think. We would still have the same amount of data, but instead of having 5 bars, we would only have 4 bars. So our possible answer would be there would only be 4 bars in the graph, but the same amount of data. Great job, fifth graders. We'll continue with histograms tomorrow in class.